When was the first time you met Rory?
That's I can't remember that now because Rory used to come to enough of the uptown party them. Yeah, that song name Ambassadors.
Yes.
Back in the days, and that's when Leisure was around too. And Rory did Ambassadors is the first song that plays with Stone Love.
As an uptown.
As an uptown, yes, uptown. And that's when Ras promotion came about. So there was a thing. So meeting me now realized that we met in some way because I was doing remixes for all these sounds.
Okay, so you're not only doing it for yourself, you're doing it for other sounds.
Yeah, man,
too.
I was doing remix for other sounds. When I got very popular, I was doing. Sound used to fly down from all over and come to me and pay me to do remixes.
Yeah.
So I used to do a lot of remixes, fly the dub plates. So I end up with one bag of dub plate. But all Stone Love, me used to remix enough dub for Stone Love.
For even Stone Love too?
Yeah. Rory, so me used to remix all HMB.
Yes, I remember HMB.
When HMB was clashing with Ambassadors, it's me do all the remix them for them. You understand? But that time, Renaissance was playing mostly uptown, like. So Ambassadors and HMB were clashing down the road and playing for some dignitary party. And that was paying. You know what I'm saying? I mean, yes, I wanted to go that route there. But what used to happen, and not straying from the Rory part, what used to happen is that any uptown sound that was dangling with dancehall or going to that playing field, they used to lose their status uptown. And people would say, oh, what that kind of boogie I get music, blah, 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 blah. But when I was transitioning, I realized it was the right time. Because even one of my guys, my members was actually against it. Say, yo, every sound tried, even Leisure tried it and it failed. We have to stick uptown because they know once we go there, so it's not going to work. And I just say, yo, trust me. I feel say at the time.
Right now is the
time. Rory helped one of the persons that will help in terms of introducing me to the dancehall scene. And we just enter into that scene, because this is the first time Ambassadors played with Stone Love, Ambassadors died uptown. Yeah, man. So everybody...
They did it. It was strictly either uptown or downtown.
Yeah, same thing with HME, because it was uptown getting all the white kids and everybody, and then the white kids that love the dancehall. But then there are certain elements for it and they start lose it too. So we were there uptown watching everything. You understand?
Yeah.
So, but I just think that it was just the right time. And we actually learned from my father, me, with how to balance it. Yeah. And I balanced it. You know what I'm saying? Up to this day, my virgin Leslie Bar, I always talk about him, because he was Leisure. And calm enough time and apologize. Yeah. Say, yo, I'm glad I never listened to him. You know what I'm saying? As my virgin up to this day. Them man, they helped me so much as well in the business, because the sound used to keep in my yard too.
Okay.
Mother wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, other people are coming. Oh, yo, you wanna understand. So I big up his mother as well, and the whole family for putting up with our unruly behavior. But yeah, that was a journey with Rory too.
Because I know, as you said, he was extremely instrumental in Boston Renaissance out to the globe now.
Yeah, man, definitely. I have to give that to Rory and Repo to Repo for accepting us in the arena,
100%. Because I know when I was speaking to Jazzy Key, he was telling me that I think you and Rory got into some sort of scuffle or a fight because of a remix. But he thought it was the Natural Mystic, but it was really the Sizzler, Black Woman and Child.
Yeah, Black Woman and Child, Sizzler, and the Every Step We Take, P. Diddy song, do we call it now? The tribute to Biggie Smalls.
Yeah.
Every step. So I put Black Woman and Child on that rhythm, but it was difficult for people to do it at the time because there were 2 different speeds. But I found a unit that was compressing the vocal. And I like a Roland 801, I don't remember the name of it. So everybody when I did that remix now, everybody was trying to copy it. But there is either the voice, like if you slow it down or whatever, it sounds like Mickey Mouse or whatever it is. It wasn't working for nobody.
I know the thing. It's either quantified or qualified. It's this thing in particular that you could do to the voice where it keeps the same pitch, but it just changes the tempo.
The tempo. Roland called it compressed.
Okay.
So you go in there and you put the tempo. It was the first time I was using a dish. We're all like, yo, my idea. Yeah. So Rory heard it. We played in Mirage, a big club named Mirage. Back in the days of Ligani. Rory heard it. And the next day, Rory come check me. I'm sorry, Rory, I'm not get a remixer. Rory run go upstairs in a jury room where the thing them used to keep and like him find it and I run. I'm so where I go? I'm a truck off of him. I'm roll down the stairs. I'm fight and I never remember that boy. I tell you. So that was the big scuffle. That remix, because everybody like, how Delano get that to mix together and sound like you know. So that's the remix of me and Rory the fight, but not the Natural Mystic. Yeah. Natural Mystic, Rory bust that because we gave it to Stone Love. And Rory was traveling all over. At time I couldn't travel them time.
You weren't traveling this time?
No, I never have no visa. So Rory was playing and Rory mash up the place with Natural Mystic. Till when I start traveling now, some people still didn't know I did it. But when them start realize I did it now, I start get woolly per date in New York. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I have to big up Rory same way. So, you know. Yeah. I think that's why I would fight to the thing, because I feel so I never get enough credit for the naturalist. But real, we can't talk about it now. We're all grown up on
100%. Because you have to remember, Stone Love is this brand right here. Right. Okay, we have this little secret weapon over here. Yeah. But we're the brand, so just cool now.
Yeah. Let's do what we're doing. Let's God them the control the dancehall scene and we the control the uptown scene. Yeah. So, you know, we accept it and we just chill and wait for the big boss. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.